Hello everyone. In this edition we look at ESA and the Asian Development Bank's next chapter of Earth observation cooperation. We also explore blue carbon mapping in the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, drought risk monitoring in the Horn of Africa, and groundwater insights in Yemen. So let's get into it. In April 2026, an ESA delegation headed by Rune Floberghagen and Christoph Obrecht visited the Asian Development Bank headquarters in Manila. Together with Yves Barthelemy, who is ESA's focal point to the ADB, they looked back at a partnership that began in 2010, when ESA and ADB started working together to bring Earth observation into development operations. And it also looked ahead. As ESA's GDA Programme transitions into Earth action, the cooperation with ADB is moving into a broader framework. This includes climate, environment, digital transformation, and stronger operational uptake. Over 3 days, the ESA delegation met ADB operational teams, technical experts, senior management, and board members. The shared objective is clear: moving Earth observation beyond individual pilots and into more standard use across lending, safeguards, country support, and digital transformation. The visit also helped define shared priorities for 2026 to 2028. These include capacity building in developing member countries and stronger alignment with EU Global Gateway initiatives in the region. Across the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, mangroves and seagrass play an important role. They store carbon, support fisheries, protect biodiversity, and sustain coastal livelihoods. But until now, consistent data on their extent and condition has been limited. Through ESA's GDA FAST-EO co-financing facility, the World Bank integrated Earth observation into its marine and coastal ecosystem assessment. Satellite imagery was used to map mangroves, and the resulting maps were combined with modelling approaches to assess total carbon stocks. Seagrass was also mapped across more than 8,000 square kilometres of shallow coastal waters. The results provide the first consistent regional overview of seagrass carbon storage across Egypt, Djibouti, Yemen, and Jordan. And the evidence is now feeding into World Bank Blue Economy strategies and coastal resilience planning. From 2020 to 2023, the Horn of Africa experienced its worst drought in 70 years. 5 rainy seasons failed in a row, leaving more than 31 million people in need of assistance. Insurance products, contingency funds, and payout mechanisms are the most important recovery tools that governments use and households need to recover from drought. Together with the World Bank's Disaster Risk Financing and Insurance Programme, the Next Generation Drought Index dashboard was upgraded. This platform supports drought risk financing and gives governments, insurers, and development partners a shared view of drought risk. Now the platform has higher resolution Sentinel-3 data to produce more accurate drought severity scores and an exposure analysis module. It combines drought severity with population and land cover data. This shows how many people and how much agricultural land are affected by a given drought event. Yemen is facing one of the world's most severe water crises. Groundwater is central to the country's water supply, but extraction continues to outpace recharge. In partnership with the World Bank, the GDA public health activity used Earth observation to assess groundwater resources. The analysis covered both the national level and the Aden-Tuban basin. The results show a steady national decline in groundwater storage. In the Aden-Tuban basin, recent cyclones have temporarily refilled aquifers, but extraction still exceeds natural recharge. To support decision-making, the findings were translated into a groundwater availability percentage indicator. The Yemeni Geological Survey endorsed the results, noting that they help fill long-standing data gaps. Find all of this and more on our website. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next month.